Hi guys, my name is Laura. I am the owner of Shey Wellness Clinic. I'm a massage therapist, nutritionist, and yoga instructor. I want to chat about omega-3 today. I want to start by talking about the different types. So there is EPA, which is found in fish oil, and this omega-3 fatty acid reduces depression and helps fight inflammation in the body. Another kind is DHA, which is also found in fish oils as well as algae. So this is really important for the brain development and helps with heart disease. ALA, the third kind, is the most common omega-3 fatty acid in our diet, and it is found in plant foods like kale, spinach, and some seeds. So your body can actually convert ALA to EPA and DHA, but it's a very inefficient thing to do. So omega-3 reduces inflammation in the body. Consuming DHA and EPA-rich fish oils can enhance the function of certain immune cells. It also helps respiratory problems like asthma, which is essentially chronic inflammation of your lungs. Right now, with the virus circulating, you want to ensure that your lungs are healthy and that you reduce inflammation in your body as much as possible. Omega-3 reduces depression and anxiety, particularly EPA. Right now, it is a stressful time, so you want to support your mental health as well. It is extremely beneficial for cardiovascular health. It reduces blood pressure, raises good cholesterol, so your HDL levels. It keeps your blood from clumping together and keeps your arteries pliable so they don't harden, and it also prevents gunk from building up in your arteries, so the plaque. So if everything is flowing smoothly, the body can focus its efforts on fighting off an infection, for example. So it also helps reduce excess fat in your liver, so you need your liver to function properly. It is designed to detect, capture, and eliminate bacteria and viruses, so it needs all the support it can get right now. So your liver health is directly linked with your immune health, so it's very important. And it's an organ we really take for granted with all the toxins we throw at it. So let's talk about your sleep and the quality of it. Low levels of DHA are linked to low levels of melatonin. This is the hormone that helps you fall asleep, and studies have also shown taking omegas improves the quality and the duration of your sleep. Also, going back to your immune system, the fatty acids keep the integrity of your skin, so you age better. It keeps your skin soft, subtle, and moist, which means less wrinkles. But it also manages the oil production and hydration of your skin and helps your first defense against pathogens, so your skin, which is your skin. Signs of deficiency include dry skin and hair, chicken skin, so small red bumpy patches like either on the back of your arms or your bum. Some people can get them on their legs as well. Dandruff, dry eyes, irritability, and joint discomfort can all be signs of omega-3 deficiency. Food sources include salmon, mackerel, anchovies, sardines, herring, seaweed, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions or concerns about your health or how I could maybe help you, I offer online nutritional consultations, and I would be happy to work with you. I would also love to hear any comments or feedbacks you might have, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks.